Hello students. So in this series of important question, we'll discuss few important question in this video. Okay. So question number 6 is prove that 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. We have to prove this. You no need to worry about this x is greater than 0. Okay. We have to prove this. Okay. So LHS is 2 tan inverse x and RHS is cos. Okay, so we'll start with RHS and we'll try to prove RHS and LHS. Okay, so RHS is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay, and we have to convert this cos inverse into tan inverse. Okay, so how we'll do? First thing what I will do, I will convert this x, I will assume this x as let x is equal to tan theta. If I am taking x as tan theta, correct, so 1 minus x square, the inside term I am taking first, 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square will be 1 minus tan square theta, because x is tan theta, so x square will be tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Correct? Okay. And there is one formula for cos 2 theta. What is the formula? There is a formula in trigonometry. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so this is a formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so using this formula I can write directly this 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta as cos 2 theta. Correct? So this term will become cos 2 theta. So our RHS will reduce as RHS was cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So this whole term is cos 2 theta. So I will write cos inverse cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cos 2 theta. Correct? And cos inverse cos 2 theta. Okay? And I discussed in previous videos cos inverse cos 2 theta. Correct? So for understanding purpose you can understand this cos will go, 2 theta will remain. Okay, so this will be 2 theta. Cos inverse cos theta will be 2 theta. Okay, and since we assumed as x is equal to tan theta, since I will write here only, since x is equal to tan theta, so x is equal to tan theta, so can I say theta is equal to tan inverse x? This also I discussed in previous videos. Correct? That x will go this side and theta will come this side, so theta will become tan inverse x. Okay, so 2 theta means 2 tan inverse x, and when you will see this LHS is nothing but 2 tan inverse x, and this is important question. Okay, this type of question you will get in 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay, so proved. Okay, so what we did here, we started with RHS, we assumed x as tan theta, and then 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square is nothing but 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and this is the formula. Okay, so this formula you will remember, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Using this formula I wrote as cos 2 theta. Then RHS became cos inverse cos 2 theta. It means 2 theta, and theta is tan inverse x, so 2 tan inverse x is equal to LHS proved. Correct? Okay, so we can discuss one more question, similar type of question I can say, similar type of question. Okay, so what is the question? Question is prove that a question I am writing. Prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Okay, this is the question. We have to prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Okay, so here also I will do the same way. Okay, what I will do, here also I will assume let x is equal to tan theta. Correct? If x is equal to tan theta, then I can start with LHS, RHS from any side. Okay, so LHS will be, if x I will assume as tan theta, so LHS will be tan inverse, this will be tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Correct? X is equal to tan theta. Okay, and this will be plus tan inverse 2x. So 2 into tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So I will write 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, correct? And in the previous videos I discussed that this is the formula. Tan 2 theta formula is nothing but 2 tan theta. This is the formula for tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So using this formula, what is the formula? Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Same formula will be used in multiple questions. So you have to remember these formulas. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So using this formula I will replace this value as tan 2 theta. Correct? So I will write as this will become tan inverse tan theta. I will write as theta only. Correct? Just now I discussed. Okay, so this will become theta, and this will become tan inverse, this whole term I will write tan 2 theta, and similarly tan inverse tan 2 theta will be 2 theta. So theta plus 2 theta, I can write 3 theta. I will write in theta only. Correct? 3 theta. So LHS is 3 theta. LHS I got as 3 theta. Now I will simplify RHS. RHS is tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square, and I will replace here value of x as tan theta. So I will replace x as tan theta. Tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and we know this is the formula for tan 3 theta. This is the formula for tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula for tan 3 theta. Okay, so instead of this value I will write as tan 3 theta. So it will be tan inverse tan 3 theta. Correct? And tan inverse tan 3 theta, just now I discussed this tan will go, so 3 theta. Correct? So 3 theta. So LHS was also 3 theta and RHS is also 3 theta. Correct? So both are same. So that we have to prove. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Correct? So just few formulas you have to remember: tan 2 theta, tan 3 theta. Correct. If you are not remembering formula also, then in exam you can guess this type of function, then you will directly write tan 3 theta. Correct. If this type of thing, then you can write tan 2 theta. You can use some common sense also. Suppose you are not remembering the formula for tan 3 theta. So what you will do? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So you will assume this will be 3 theta. If 3 theta, then 3 theta, and this will be 2 theta, then theta plus 2. That then also you can use some common sense and you can write this is a formula for tan 2 theta and this is a formula for tan 3 theta. It is not required that exactly you remember the formula. Okay, you can use some common sense and you will, yes, this will be the formula for tan 3 theta, so you will write directly. Okay, so in exam you can use these tricks. Okay, you can use some common sense while solving the question. Okay, so this is the 6th question. Now we'll come to the next one, the 7th one. What is the 7th question? Prove that sine inverse 1 upon x is equal to cosec inverse x. So this question also will do in the using the same method. Here in every question I will assume x as sin theta, x as tan theta, x as cos theta based on the question. Okay, so here if you will see the sine term, so what I will take? X I will take as cosec theta or sin theta, anything I will take. Correct. Since it is 1 upon x, so I will take cosec theta. Correct, because I know 1 upon cosec theta will be sin theta. Correct. So here I will assume x as cosec theta. Cosec theta. So if I am taking x as cosec theta, so our LHS will be sine inverse 1 upon cosec theta. X I will replace as cosec theta. And we know sine is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, opposite. Correct. So 1 upon cosec theta I can write as sin theta. So sine inverse and 1 upon cosec theta I will write as sin theta. Sin theta. Correct. So sine inverse sin theta, sine will go, only theta will remain. Correct. So theta. Correct. And theta means nothing but if x is equal to cosec theta, so you can write as theta is equal to cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x. Okay, and theta means cosec inverse x, and this is our RHS. So this is very easy question. Okay, RHS proved. Correct. So just you have to think what you have to take. So sine cosec, so either you will take sine or cosec. So why I took cosec? Because 1 upon cosec will be sine and sine inverse sin theta will be theta. That I know. So I will use that common sense. Correct. Okay. So one similar type of question I will also discuss here. Okay, prove that. Okay, prove that. What we have to prove? Sine inverse 2x square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Okay, where x is given as minus 1 upon root 2 to 1 upon root 2. But this is not of your use. Okay, you don't have to worry about this. Okay, leave this. Okay, this will be just given in the question based on the condition, but we don't have any use of this in this question. Okay, just I will solve this part directly. Okay, so this is of no use as of now in this question. Okay, in this type of question. Okay, we don't have to worry about those things. Okay, so here also if you will see LHS, RHS, sine terms are there. So only sine is there. So what I will take? I will take x as sine theta. So let x is equal to sine theta. So if I will take x as sine theta, so first you can do, I can find the value of 2x, a square root of, inside this sine inverse I will find this first. Okay, then this will be easy. Okay, or you can do directly also, like I will do directly. LHS is sine inverse and inside will be 2, x value will be sine theta and a square root of 1 minus sine square theta, correct? And since we know cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, so 1 minus sine square theta we can write as cos square theta, correct? 1 square root of 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta I can write as cos square theta, correct? I hope you know this. These are the simple relation. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, correct? So sine square I will take right side, so 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta, correct, using this formula. Okay, so 2 sine theta and a square root of 1 minus sine square theta I will write as cos square theta, correct? And a square root of cos square theta, so cos theta will come outside, so it will be sine inverse 2 sine theta, and square root of cos theta will be cos theta, and here 2 sine theta into cos theta will be sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta into cos theta. So in place of this 2 sine theta into cos theta I will write as sine 2 theta. So it will become sine inverse sine 2 theta, correct? And in using the same method, sine inverse sine will go, only 2 theta will remain. Okay, so it will become 2 theta. Okay, so this is our LHS. LHS is 2 theta, and theta, since x is equal to sine theta, so theta I will bring this side, x I will bring this side, so sine will become sine inverse. So theta I brought in left side, and x I am bringing in right side, so sine will become sine inverse. So theta is equal to sine inverse x, correct? So 2 theta means nothing but 2 sine inverse x, and this is our RHS, 2 sine inverse x, so this is our RHS. So hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved, correct? So you can solve this type of question, correct? And same type of question can be given, correct? Here, so this is clear. So now I am changing in this question again few things, okay? Just be ready, okay? Sine inverse 2x square root of 1 minus x square. Suppose this time we have to prove as 2 cos square x. Suppose we have to prove this time as cos inverse x. 2 cos inverse x. So what we'll do? Here just in place of sine I will take cos, correct? In place of sine I will take cos, correct? So if I will take in place of sine I will take cos, so this will become sine inverse 2 cos theta, correct? So this will only change cos theta, and this sine square theta will become cos square theta, correct? And so just this will change, correct? If you will see, just this will change, correct? 2 cos theta and 1 minus cos square theta will be sine square theta, so square root of sine square theta, okay? So just what I am trying to tell you, that using the same method you can solve multiple questions. So just have confidence, do properly, do some hard work, give some time, okay? So this will look the same, okay? So now 2 cos theta sin theta, so 2 sin theta into cos theta, or 2 cos theta into sin theta will be sin 2 theta. So sin inverse sin 2 theta and 2 theta, and here theta will be cos inverse x, correct? Because x we took as cos theta, so theta will be cos inverse x. So 2 theta means 2 cos inverse x, and this is our RHS, okay? So hence proved. So just what we changed, instead of sin theta we took as cos theta, correct? So just you have to give little bit more attention, okay? Then you will be able to understand, okay? So I hope you understood, okay.